Are you looking for a way to stop Google Photos from backing up your pictures? In this video, I will show you the steps to take so that you can easily disable Google Photos backup. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Google Photos app, tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Google Photos Settings. Once you are on the settings page, you'll see an option called Backup. So go ahead and tap Backup. As you can see, Backup is enabled, so in order to disable it, simply toggle off the switch next to Backup. And now Google Photos Backup is disabled, and it won't upload or save my photos anymore. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.